Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dina here. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm going to do a little bit of a DIY because I have some pimples on my skin. Unfortunately, it's the time of the month where there's nothing you can do about that, but we can fight it, right? So I'm just gonna do a DIY facial treatment and try to fight these skin blemishes. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Just a quick disclaimer that this is for informational purposes only. It does not replace medical attention. So if you need medical attention, please contact your medical practitioner. So today we're going to use turmeric. Turmeric is a spice and it is used for so many things. The spice is one of the miracle spices that's great for all type skin, and it helps with so many things topically and internally. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey, and about 1 teaspoon of lemon. This DIY facial mask is one of the easiest recipes. Chances are you already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen or all of them, so you might as well just use them for your facial, right? Just pamper yourself a little bit. Some of the benefits of turmeric is that it reduces inflammation. It also helps with hyperpigmentation, so it reduces that. It reduces skin irritation, acne treatment, wrinkle treatment. I have been using it for dark spots on my skin. So it has so many benefits. It has so many health benefits, guys, that I have drank it in my tea so many times to help with my immune system, especially during the pandemic. Everyone was looking for things to drink to boost their immune system. So turmeric is definitely one of the things that you can use for different things and get many health benefits from. So here I'm just mixing it well with the other products. I'm using honey. Of course, honey is one of the best products that's been using for ages in skin and overall health. And lemon is also something else, or lime, that you can use on your skin for different reasons. It helps with acne, it helps with blemishes, and so many other things. For the application, I'm going to use glove. I'm gonna use that just because I know that turmeric stains and I don't want to get it all over the place. When I use stuff with my hand like that, I tend to touch other parts of my skin or clothes or surfaces. So I just want to make sure that I don't get it in my hand and I don't accidentally put it somewhere else. So if you would like to use a glove, it's up to you, or if you have a mask applicator, you can also use that to apply the mask on your skin. Another thing is, when you do this facial mask with turmeric, make sure that you're not using any clothes that you care about, because let me tell you, this thing stains any surfaces that it touches. It leaves a yellow mark that is really hard to get rid of, and I'm not sure how to get rid of turmeric stains. So just to be safe, just wear something that you don't really care about before you use this mask. So this part is very straightforward, very easy. Just make sure you get it all over your skin, all over your face, and not close to your eyes. I'm not sure if it stings when it comes in contact with your. I don't think so, because I've used this mask before. When you wash it, it doesn't really sting, so you're safe. but you know, just don't get it close to to your eyes just to be safe. And you know, I have to ask you, what's your favorite facial mask? Girl, I need some tips, you know. I need to keep doing those masks because especially those natural masks, they do help with your skin, and I love doing natural masks. So give me any more tips that I can use when I do my facial mask. If you have any favorites, just let me know in the comments below. And please like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. So my forehead is bigger than average, as you can see. You know, I have the Rihanna forehead. So I gotta make sure I have it all over my big forehead. The struggle is real, guys. And that's it. You can just leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I wouldn't leave it for longer than that because, as you know, it does stain and you might risk the chance of it staining your face. So 15-20 minutes should be enough time for it to work its magic. And I'm just gonna get rid of the gloves so I don't make any more messes. So I ended up leaving it for a little bit longer because I had an emergency with one of my kids. Everything's good, but you know, things happen. So as you can see, my skin is not, it's looking a little yellowish, but rest assured I'm going to wash it a couple times. But you can see my face is clean and clear and it works. So I really like this mask, you guys. If you try it, just let me know. And to finish it off, I'm just going to use my Vichy lotion to moisturize my skin, and that should be it. So there you have it, the simplest, very effective turmeric mask with honey and lemon. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!